In this video, we will go through the purchase reports. To access purchase reports, click on Reports and then Purchase Reports in the menu Items. There are two types of purchase reports: Purchase History Report and Vendor Purchase History. The Purchase History Report provides a detailed overview of the purchase orders created with the option to sort the data using the filters at the top. The displayed data includes the purchase order date, product name, vendor of the purchase order, purchase invoice number, quantity ordered, free of cost items, cost of the purchased product, and the return quantity, if any has been returned. Next is the Vendor Purchase History Report, which provides an overview of purchases by vendor with the option to sort the data using the filters at the top. That's all about the purchase reports in WinkSell. These reports provide clear insights into store operations, helping you to make informed decisions. To learn about other interfaces, please watch our other videos.